Thank you, Dr. Sumit, for this lovely introduction. But I think here, let's talk about I am one of the co-founder of Udaan. When Yash told me, ki, Sakshi, you have to give the presentation, I was really very nervous because I thought that so many honorable dignitaries are there, the panels are there, the experts are there. Then I thought, what will I say? I don't have that much experience which you people have. Then I thought about, let's talk about our Udaan. Firstly, I would like literally say thank you for giving us an opportunity to showcase and present one of the initiative Udaan. Please give a big round. And before saying why Udaan, what does it really means? In Hindi we say Udna. In Hindi we say Udaan. In English, we say fly. If we really thought that we want to fly, we want to take an initiative, or we want to, step out from our comfort zone, even from a bed, that also requires a lot of strength. And that is the agenda and the vision of our initiative, our platform Udaan is. When Yash told me about the entire vision of the Udaan, I only asked, Yash, इतना आप सब देखे हो, आपको पता है, you have been to all those things, and here, everyone, whether it could be the age of 12, whether it could be the age of 60, whether it could be the age of 40, whether it could be the student, employee, government of India, everyone, we all have mental pressure, everything. But the basic thing is that, in our Udaan is that, we don't communicate. And that's why I said why we coined the term Udaan, because when we think about to fly, we think about that we need confidence. And how this confidence comes? Let's go to the root. I will not speak much because a lot of things happened. And there is so many insightful knowledge that I don't want to get pointed because everything is covered. But the basic thing, connection. When we really feel confidence, if we thinking something and we want to speak, to our family members, to our bosses, to our friends, colleagues, we often say what the other person will think. This is a very common scenario. And that's what it really pressurizes us. That we need to communicate now. And that is the first milestone which we really wanted to bring up through our Udaan. And now I'll take you with such a short introduction that what we are really trying to accomplish. That is, meet our AI care manager. That is your Sathi Assist. Wherever we are, in whatever the mental scenarios we are really facing, either we are happy, we are calm, we are frustrated, anything, you need someone who really gives you strength, who really motivates you to take a step forward. And that's what our AI care manager is. So please play these things. Let's have a glimpse of our demonstration, and then we will.
AI Care Manager, your Sathi Assist. This is where users receive warm, empathetic support for their mental wellness needs. The screen opens with an introduction to Sathi Assist, highlighting that the user can chat either through text or voice. As we scroll down, the platform shows a friendly greeting message from a mental health assistant. It invites the user to complete a daily check-in and choose their preferred language, English or Hindi, to ensure comfort and trust. Now we move into an active conversation with Sathi. The user shares how they are feeling, and Sathi responds with emotional understanding. Here the assistant is replying in Hindi, demonstrating multilingual capability. Sathi processes the user's message, identifies signs of discomfort, and gently suggests that they may benefit from speaking to a doctor. The user agrees, and Sathi prepares to guide them into the consultation process. Next, we arrive at the platform's comprehensive consultation and healing marketplace. This is where users can explore a wide range of services. The platform brings together hospitals, clinics, retreat centers, yoga instructors, lifestyle coaches, nutrition experts, physiotherapists, and many more specialists, all available for direct booking. Each category clearly explains what kind of support it provides, along with a book now option. This entire flow demonstrates how our platform blends emotional intelligence, real-time guidance, and a holistic wellness ecosystem, helping users access the right support at the right time. And as part of our extended mission for community well-being, the platform also features dedicated pledge sections for cancer awareness and diabetes prevention. Here, users can take simple yet powerful pledges to go for routine checkups, adopt healthier lifestyle choices, support early detection initiatives, or stand with families affected by these conditions. By taking a pledge, users not only commit to their own health, but also contribute to a collective movement for awareness and prevention.
Thank you for this. Here you can see that this is our AI Care Manager. If you'll see this, this is a normal chatbot. We'll think about it, but no. This is just a first step where we can find the connection. If I really wanted to speak to sir, but I am really hesitating and I need some motivation, this is the platform I have to go. And this care manager can be my friend, can be my mentor, can be my advisor, anything. But the only agenda and the vision and the mission of this thing is to motivate me so that I can go to sir and I can speak and I can really make my things, whatever the thing is that could be possible. That is the first basic route I feel which is required to solve any kind of a mental health problem. I feel it. And that's what our first milestone with our co-founder, Yash, Dr. Poonam, Dr. Sumit, Mr. Namang Runta, and Srishti Singh, we are here to trying to come up with. And this is just a mission. वो कहते हैं ना, problem सबको पता होता है. लोग solutions के लिए भी काम करते हैं. बस ये चीज़ें बस कोई पहला कदम दे दे, मंजिल अपने आप मिल जाती है. और ये इनिशिएटिव हमारे लिए वो पहला कदम ही है, बिकॉज लर्निंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है, बिल्डिंग बन जाएगी. सो आई वुड रियली थैंक्स एवरीवन, स्पेशली मिस्टर यश आर्या, फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड शेयरिंग हिज विजन. बिकॉज टेक सिर्फ एक पार्ट है. आई बिलीव ये टेक पोर्टल है, इस टेक पोर्टल को इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस वी कैन शो, बट ये इनिशिएटिव to really rid of the mental health problem is bigger than what we are thinking. And that's what the HAIR Summit is, which we are trying to fulfill it with such an experts, with such an dignitaries, and with the help of my supporting co-founders, Mr. Sumit, Ms. Poonam, and Mr. Yash. Thank you, everyone. And here I would really request you, please go to the portal once, whenever you are free or sad, anytime. या फिर आप खुश भी हो ना तो एक बार चले जाना पोर्टल पे www.uran.testfutureready.com and speak with the AI Care Manager and then take a pledge that yes, we are there for a mission and we will make it possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sakshi. The main thing about the Udaan is all about you have to log in to know yourself and whatever is coming to your mind, because this is a wide spectrum platform, not only catering to the mental health, but to hospitals, to a lot of other things. So it is diversified.